How to create a paper slide presentation. You'll be creating paper slides for your region of the 13 colonies. You and your group will be creating a paper slide. How will you do this? The supplies that you need: white paper, such as 8.5 by 11 computer paper that I'm using, markers or color pencils, your completed notes, and a camera on your phone or a digital camera from Mrs. Vogt. Step 1, get organized. Get your group organized with your materials that you need. You're also going to research your region of the 13 colonies. You will use the textbook called Creating America, and you might be able to use a form of technology to research if you don't have enough information. Learn. Make sure you know your content. You will be teaching the rest of the class about your region. Study. Make sure you know your content. Again, you will be teaching everyone else about your region. Know what you're going to say. Step 2 is writing a script of what you will say. Step 3, after you write the script, you will create the art on your paper slides. You can draw pictures or you can print pictures. Remember, the pictures won't be in color with our printer though. You can always color them when you're done printing them. Step 4, figure out who will do what. You will need a filmer, a speaker, someone who slides the paper, and an artist. More than one person can do each. You can all be artists and just divide the slides up and create them. You can take turns speaking. You can take turns sliding the paper, although that's a little more difficult. I would just have one filmer. So again, you're going to need someone who will film, who will be the paper slider, and then you can take turns speaking and you can all be the artist. But your group needs to decide who will be doing what. When you have all your paper slides completed of all the information from your region of the colonies, you're going to practice. Practice, practice, practice. Then you're going to practice some more. Step 6, let me know when you're ready. That way you can have your phone out with my permission, or you can use the technology I have in the classroom to record. Step 7, you're going to make your video. You need your images and your script. Is it perfect? Okay. If it is, then you're going to give it to Mrs. Vogt. I know it says Ms. A, but it's Mrs. Vogt. Is it not perfect? Then you can make it again. You can have 2 takes only. You may not do more than 2 takes for your video recording. Step 8, turn it in. Make sure your video is perfect. Post your video to YouTube. If your group doesn't know how, let me know. Or you can send me your link through your WCPS webmail or post your video link on Edmodo. Hopefully, you all have an Edmodo account now and have signed on to Mrs. Vogt's page, which you should have done anyway. You should all be members of my Edmodo group, as instructed before. You're going to turn it in, and then you're going to share it with others. You're going to watch it. You're going to learn from others, and you're going to have fun. So have fun making your paper slides. Again, you're going to make a paper slide presentation on the region of the 13 colonies that you've been assigned. First, you're going to research that region. You're going to record your research into the organizer that I will give you, and you're going to create a paper slide presentation explaining that region, just as I have explained how to create a paper slide presentation. Have fun.